Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Sunday. Oh, we've had a really good day. Super relaxing, all the things, and now it's time to meal prep and get ready for the week ahead. I get so many questions about my meal prepping that I thought I would do hopefully a short video for you and answer some of the questions that I get. So, one of the very first things is my meal prep trays. These are the ones that I use, and I basically do the same meal prep tray every week because I know, number one, it's good for me. Number two, I'm going to eat it. Number three, I really like the things that I put in there. And that is the most important part about meal prepping, especially meal prep trays that you're going to take with you to go to work, lunch, school, anything like that. You want to make sure that whatever you put in these meal prep trays is something that you like and something that you're going to eat. Because if you don't, it's just a waste of time and you end up down at the Chick-fil-A or McDonald's or whatever getting something that you really don't want, but you didn't want what you put in here, right? So I always do, for instance, he has already made my grilled Cajun chicken, and then I'll put blueberries in there. I'll put cheese in there, and I love hot pickles, so I'll have a little thing of hot pickles. Everything is portioned out, so I know exactly what I'm getting. I know exactly, I'm not gonna overeat. I'm not gonna get, you know, things that I don't need. But the biggest thing is to put in here what you love to eat. It doesn't have to be some crazy diet. It doesn't have to be, well, they said to eat cottage cheese, or they said to eat yogurt, or they said that if you don't like cottage cheese and yogurt, don't put it in here. There's other things you can eat, right? So that's what I want you to remember about meal prepping. Now meal prepping for my family is another thing I do. I don't do like 5 full meals. I'll do a couple just to make my week easier. Everybody's on a different schedule. Everybody likes to eat at different times. So the meal prepping of the full meals for your family is very important too, like I said, but you're going to do them on things that you really enjoy and really like to eat. So like we like stuffed bell peppers. So this week I'm going to make stuffed bell peppers, but I'm going to make it kind of a taco version. I'm going to have taco meat. I use this 90-second Spanish rice. Super easy. A can of tomatoes, some Mexican cheese. I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to go ahead and put it all together tonight. Cover it, put it in the refrigerator. I may not cook these until Wednesday or Thursday, but whatever day I choose, it's already prepared, ready to go. I just take it out of the refrigerator, stick it in the oven, and in 30 minutes, we have a meal. And that is so good. What else? Oh, I'm going to also make a pineapple. I call it a pineapple sunshine cake. I usually make it in the summertime. It's fresh. It is refreshing. It's so good. But it's just a box butter cake. I'll do the recipe for this one and do a little video for you because this one everybody loves. But a can of pineapple, some sweetened condensed milk, Cool Whip on top. It's not heavy. It's perfect for the summertime, perfect for backyard, perfect for poolside, anything like that. And you can cut it up in portions, put you a little bit in your little meal prep tray, and you've got your own homemade dessert. It doesn't have to be the portion that's down here. Put a little portion up here. You deserve it, and I promise you, it's not going to wreck whatever you're doing, okay? Treat yourself, because the more that you do, that you're happy about your meal prep trays and what you've done for yourself, the more you're going to want to do it, and you can get your family involved too. So I hope that answered some of your questions. If you have any more, please comment them or message me directly. And if you'd like to see more videos kind of like this, just let me know. But happy Sunday. I hope you have a beautiful week ahead. I'm going to get started meal prepping.